Hi, I'm Abdurrahim, a data scientist at Royal Cyber. Have you ever encountered a situation where you have money and you want to invest it somewhere, but you don't know where to invest, how to invest, and when to invest? This is not the problem of you and me only. This is the problem of world's 70% population according to S&P Global's report. So this creates an opportunity to all those financial advisors and gurus to jump into this market and charge high fees for the financial advices that sometimes can be biased according to their own needs and benefits. To tackle this challenge, let me introduce the Finance Mentor or Personalized Financial Planner that is using the cutting edge technology of large language models with a focus on Llama 2 7 billion model. Our goal is to provide not just personalized financial advice but also assist users in their detailed retirement and wealth management planning. Additionally, we aim to enhance the user's understanding of their own financial documents and data. The system will consist of three major modules where user will get the financial advice, then the wealth and retirement management planning, and lastly they can chat with their document. The system work on a subscription based model where user will purchase an API to access our backend. Once the user have the API, they will paste here and click on the explore button. Once they click it, it will redirect them to our backend page. This is our first module where we will provide personalized financial planning. First, user have to choose any stock which they want to invest. So next they can send a query like, hey, I have $100. Tell me where to invest and how to invest in Bitcoin, because we have choose the Bitcoin. So it will start generating. First, what it does, it take the Bitcoin, it fetch all the relevant news, all the latest news of Bitcoin, and then it will pass all those information to our Finbert model for the sentiment analysis. Here we will get our sentiment, and meanwhile it's generating the answer based over sentiment and along with our query. So it's something like that. Okay, hey, I want to invest $100 in Bitcoin. Currently the Bitcoin market is positive or neutral, so tell me how to do the thing, like how to invest. So here's the response. Thank you for considering. I understand that you want to invest $100 in Bitcoin. Currently market condition is neutral, so it's telling about all the prices of Bitcoin. That's actually currently it's ranging between 30 to 40,000 for the past few weeks. So it gives a detailed financial tip, and similarly you can ask on other stock as well. Moving towards the second module, that is wealth management and retirement planning. So that's the interface of this particular module. So let's ask a question from our data set like, hey, I'm 38-year-old with a household income this, and give me an answer, give me a plan. So it will generate an answer that's very much close to the data set that it has been fine-tuned on. So it's almost similar to that data set. So there are other options like we can introduce a system prompt as well. Hey, act like a funny financial advisor. So and other than that, we can introduce the max length. So we can just reduce it to, like, let's say 596. Give me a finance joke. So what this does, this system prompt changed the behavior of the model. So now the model will act like a funny financial advisor. So it will give some jokes, and the good thing you can see is that we have limited its answer to 96 tokens, so it just stopped there. And similarly, if you want to ask like, hey, give me a detailed plan for retirement. So because the system prompt is there, its original behavior has been quite changed, like it has to be act like a funny financial advisor. So yeah, the answer is, as you can see, that it's quite humorous. The answers are humorous even though we have asked a very generic question. So let's just remove the system prompt and ask the similar question again. So yeah, so now you can see the answer will be very different because we have changed its behavior. Now it's the default behavior. Default behavior is to act like a professional financial advisor. So yeah, now as you can see, the responses are very much different. So these are the features, like if you want to clear all the mess, then you just have to clear the chat history, so it will be 0. Coming to the third module, where we have to upload a PDF file. This PDF file will be converted into embeddings with the help of Llama index. These embeddings will be stored in vector store under the hood of Llama hub. So what this does is basically it takes our query and it search all those embeddings. These embeddings will be stored in the form of nodes, so it will search that which node basically match the most with our query, and it will retrieve that particular result. So here's the query, like what's the profit of company in 2022. So it will give us an exact answer from our document. So it will give a result of like A4706 million, and we can match it with from our document, as we can see. Similarly, if we want to get some another query, like take this example. For example, we can choose this syntax and make it a question. So we paste it here, the question, and then we just ask the model that, like, tell us what a low credit risk exemption is not applied by whom. So the answer should be like consolidated, and as we can see, it's exactly the same answer.